I'd like to welcome on the stage Belle Gibson.
It must have affected her that my book was reviewed as better than hers.
I'm sorry, who's her?
Miller.
She was diagnosed with cancer.
So she's consistently maintained. I have no reason to doubt her.
Because in her case, it's true.
It's a funny way. My doctor said, you have brain cancer.
Here's a blog you might like. She's just like you.
It feels alright.
You do look incredibly well.
I've never felt better.
I have to find the right way for me.
We just got each other. Loved the session. Full body goosebumps.
Thanks for coming.
Belle Gibson. The brain cancer.
Right. I want to build something meaningful that lasts.
I want to do an app.
Belle Gibson.
She just wants me to help her out a bit professionally.
Of course she does. She's competitive with me.
I have recently been diagnosed with a third cancer.
It has 90,000 likes. She does not have spleen cancer.
Always know what you put in your body.
Belle, it's a simple question. Do you have cancer?
I want to destroy her.
This is a big story.
It's about a woman with terminal brain cancer.
She's probably killing people with her lies.
Lucy idolizes her.
I don't want to be messed around by more doctors.
Belle doesn't have friends. She has hosts.
She offered to raise money for surgery for Hunter.
I know you want to do the right thing.
You'd have to be an actual sociopath to do that, and I am not. I mean, I could do like 50 personality quizzes right now, and I am an empath every time.